The 2025 Bajaj CT 100 is a motorcycle designed for practicality and reliability, making it a standout option in the commuter segment. Known for its fuel efficiency and durability, this model has been updated to cater to the evolving needs of riders while maintaining its reputation for affordability and ease of maintenance. The design of the 2025 Bajaj CT 100 has been slightly refined, featuring a sleek and modern appearance that appeals to urban and rural riders alike. The addition of contemporary graphics and a refreshed color palette enhances its visual appeal. Despite these updates, the bike retains its iconic, minimalist structure, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience for daily commuters. Under the hood, the CT 100 is powered by a reliable 102cc single-cylinder engine, which delivers an optimal balance of performance and mileage. With advancements in engine technology, the 2025 model boasts improved fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical options in its class. The smooth power delivery and low-end torque are ideal for city traffic and rural terrains, ensuring consistent performance on all types of roads. Safety and practicality have also been prioritized in the 2025 Court 100. The bike is equipped with advanced braking systems, including an optional combi braking feature for better control during sudden stops. Its robust suspension setup, consisting of telescopic front forks and spring-in-spring rear shock absorbers, ensures a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The bike also features a durable frame that can withstand heavy usage, further enhancing its suitability for daily commuting. Additional features include a large and easy-to-read analog instrument cluster, an updated headlamp for improved visibility, and a spacious seat that accommodates both the rider and a passenger comfortably. The inclusion of tubeless tires in this model ensures better grip and reduced chances of sudden punctures, adding to the overall convenience and safety. Bajaj has kept the CT 100 competitive in terms of price, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Coupled with its low maintenance costs and excellent fuel efficiency, it continues to be a value-for-money option for those seeking a dependable daily ride. The 2025 version stays true to its legacy, offering practicality and performance while incorporating modern touches to meet the needs of today's riders.